Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC. So the first thing we want to do is go on down to the Windows Start button, go to Settings, and then go to Bluetooth on the left side, go to Add Device, go to Bluetooth. Now your PS4 controller does need to be turned off, so if it's turned on, hold down the PlayStation button right here, and this will manually turn it off after about 10 seconds. Then hold down the share button and the PlayStation button, and after about 5 seconds the light bar will begin to blink. And this will put your controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now I think my controller is out of battery, so I'm going to have to use my PS5 controller for an example. So I'll hold down the share button and PlayStation button, and the light bar will blink, and it will show up under Add Device right here. And then I should be able to connect it. So here it is, just select it now, and then it will be connected to your laptop or computer. So very easy to do. And then just make sure the controller is turned on, and it should reconnect. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.